Hello everybody, how are you? Fine, excellent. Today we are going to continue practicing phonology. Here we go. Open your book to page 18, Phonology, Lesson 3. Working with sounds. Okay, listen to the word list again and practice your pronunciation. Then write the correct words in the blanks below. Here we go.
Lesson 3. The words you will hear are not necessarily in the same order as the ones in the book. Watch out for the missing word. Seal. Seal. Out. Out. Feet. Feet. Cow. Cow. Clown. Clown. Crown. Crown. Sheep. Sheep. Sound. Sound. Team. Team.
Okay, and the missing word is be. Excellent. Now, I need that you write the correct words in the blanks below. Number 1. Which word rhymes with the word bow? I have cow. Excellent. Number 2. Which two words rhyme with the word down? I have clown. Crown. Okay, excellent. Number 3. Which 5 words have the O sound like in round? Okay, I have out, sound, clown, cow, and crown. Excellent. Number 4. Which words have the long sound like in bean? Okay, I have seal, team, bee, feet, and sheep. Number 5. Which words have the k sound like in cake? I have cow, clown, and crown. Okay. Please don't work in this part, okay? So if you have any questions, let me know by email or by platform. And remember, you can do it. Have a nice day. Goodbye. Bye bye.